The Mountain Research Initiative is a global research coordination network through which research to identify and understand drivers and processes of global change in mountains is promoted, integrating diverse disciplines and connecting individuals and institutions working in mountain regions worldwide. Mountain regions are globally distributed, with individuals listed in our experts database, located and conducting their research activities across these regions.
The MRI and its coordinating office benefit from the guidance of the governing body. This includes the MRI board, composed of the MRI chair and the co-principal investigators, who provide overall strategic and operational guidance. Second, the SLC, or Scientific Leadership Council, which is composed of senior researchers from diverse fields who provide scientific guidance on priorities, initiate working groups, and maintain strategic links to the regions. And third, the coordinating office headed by the executive director, who is responsible for implementing the multi-year work program. The members of the MRI Coordination Office staff support the MRI network through several key functions and are based at the MRI office hosted at the University of Bern. The staff includes the executive director, a communications manager, and scientific project officers and assistants.
The MRI receives core funding from the Swiss Academy of Sciences, with additional funding for MRI flagship activities from the Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation, or SDC, the Government of Liechtenstein, and the European Commission through Horizon Europe program. The MRI Coordination Office was founded in 2001 and has been in continuous operation since then. The current funding cycle for the MRI Coordination Office covers a 4-year period from October 2019 to September 2023. The MRI's focus on mountains as social-ecological systems is fundamentally interdisciplinary. However, we also value diversity as part of a social process in which we recognize the importance of different kinds of knowledge beyond scientific research. Our activities therefore are designed to promote and support such exchanges. Our activities connect researchers as well as practitioners and broader society through collaborative research and synthesis activities. Flagship activities are those that are mainly led by the MRI Coordination Office, while community-led activities are proposed and led by members of the network, with the MRI Coordination Office supporting with administration, communications and some seed funding. The Global Network for Observations and Information in Mountain Environments, or GeoMountains, connects individuals, institutions and mountain observation networks to enhance the discoverability, accessibility and usability of a wide range of data and information pertaining to mountains, both in situ as well as remotely sensed, across the world, thereby improving the access to data and information for the scientific research community, decision makers at local, national and regional levels, and others. Other lines of work at the MRI include the brokering of information or links to expertise within the network in response to requests from international organizations, governments or research programs. We also participate in general advocacy for mountains and third-party projects and campaigns.
The MRI is a partner of Future Earth and the Belmont Forum, and the participating organization of the Group on Earth Observations. It is also a member of the Mountain Partnership, the International Mountain Society, and the founding member of the Network for European Mountain Research, previously MRI Europe. Other key partners include international organizations such as UNEP, WMO, and UNESCO, and other entities collaborating with us through global programs such as Adaptation at Altitude, supported by SDC.
Besides GeoMountains and our participation in the Global Mountains Program Adaptation at Altitude, other flagship activities at the MRI include a mentoring program and contributions to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change 6th Assessment and the Conectate A Plus Research Collaboration Hub in the Tropical Andes and Central America region. Our methods to promote collaborations include the coordination and support for workshops, sessions and meetings at key conferences, webinars, as well as science communication to present research results and publications for dissemination via our website, newsletters and social media. At the MRI, we also subscribe to and promote the FAIR principles for data, that it's findable, accessible, interoperable and reusable, as well as open science. Data generated through activities at the MRI are available via the GeoMountains portal.
Serendipity. You have a good idea? come to MRI. I mean, we can do something a bit more scripted. Having that margin of, in marge de manœuvre in French, that margin of operation that allows us to respond to opportunities that come up.
For me, serendipity is about letting 1,000 flowers bloom. So we provide the soil and the space for the flowers, but it's really up to us as a community to decide what options we take up as an opportunity. So don't be shy, bring the opportunities forth and ideas.